Did you hear that? So, Pete just went and did a reasonable launch, but then something went pop. So we're going to go and find out what went pop. And yeah, no, we're going to go and get Pete's timing tickets for him, and then go and find him because we've submitted it for him every time, haven't we? Yeah. Let's go and do that. We've just been running, quite worn out after the. What am I doing with this piece of paper? After the pop noise, Pete's now stopped at the scrutineering hut, said the engine's gone pop, but we'll find out soon, I guess.
That's why our faces aren't very smiley.
It can't be that bad because the track's still running, there's not oil everywhere.
Yeah,
so
true.
At best, hopefully it's just a head gasket or something.
Hopefully.
But we'll find out soon.
If an engine...
I'm out of breath.